Yo, J-miah's beer tasting reactions back once again to try another beer. We got an interesting one today for me because this is a product of India. It's called Woodpecker. It says it's handcrafted, specially brewed premium beer, 6.6% alcohol by volume. Product of India. Here's the bottle. Don't know if any of you guys ever had this one. If you've had it, leave your experience in the comment section. And this is the first beer I'm having on my show, I believe, that is a product of India. So let's just pour up. Smells good. See the color of this stuff. Nice golden color. Transparent. Smells good, and let's just make sure I didn't miss anything. And once again, this is the Woodpecker Premium Beer, product of India, 6.6 alcohol by volume, handcrafted, specially brewed. And I'm pretty interested in this one because it's a product of India. Let's try it out and see how it tastes. I like it. I like it. Pretty nice and smooth. So you'd think, like, I don't know, these foreign beers, a lot of them might be way different than your regular beer, but I try so many exotic beers that I am getting the regular beer flavor out of this, although it's 6.6%, so you're getting a little more alcohol than your usual beer. But I try so many exotic beers that when I get the regular beers, they're just plain, which isn't a bad thing, but pretty good. Tastes great. And this is the Woodpeckers, submitted by my mom and my stepdad. They went and had Indian food today and brought me back this beer. So I'm happy to try it out. And like I said, if you have had the Woodpecker Premium Beer, let us know what you thought in the comment section. See if there's anything else I can say about it. It's a good one. Cheers, and I guess that's it for now. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.